Just walked into this building here. I know I've been here before, but take a look at those windows here. Huge, 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 huge. And on top of that, they're curved. I covered that in a previous video already one time, so. But now I'm going to the top, because apparently there's a panoramic view up there, so let's go see. Almost at the observation deck, guys. I hope it's open. Actually, I didn't have much luck with buildings that were open. I'm on the 9th floor. Hello. Oh, 9.5. One more and you're at 10. Look at this, guys. This is the River Scheldt and the harbor and the docks from a 10-foot story building. As you can see, guys, I'm in Antwerp, and there is that Ferris wheel there. And right there is a church. And this is a bird's eye view over Antwerp, guys. Yeah, the weather was half-as decent today, so this was the perfect day for a view or a bird's eye view of the surrounding areas of Antwerp. And there you got the pleasure boat harbor, the marina, like in one of my previous videos. And this is actually the rooftop of a building, 10 floors up, as you saw. And that water here, that's the river Scheldt. Makes a bend here, and see, oh, right there, all the trees. That's a green area. It's called the North Castle. So basically, in the old days there was a castle, but it's no longer there. But the grounds are still there, and it was saved from the wreckers because, as you can see around there, it's all industrial and docks and commercial stuff. So lucky that little spot is saved, and maybe I take a walk up there and see what's left of it.
En hier het aanzetschap van de Boeddha.
Just in case, guys, you didn't see this building in one of my previous videos. Here it is. And there is the top floor, guys. Right on the harbor, yes. Okay, let me make my way to that park area that I just showed you. So guys, I wandered into another building, and this building here is the Red Star Line, and apparently this was passenger ships in the old days, meaning in the 1930s, that were going to America and Canada and all over Africa. So, and this is a museum, but there's a tower here, so I'm making my way up here. Look at all the cranes there. I don't know if there is anything better to see as the building I was just on, but let's look. Oh crap, look at the construction here. Look, a new roof on all these old warehouses. New warehouse. Okay, let's keep going. There was the building I was just on the roof of, that one there. So now I'm on the top of this other structure from the Star Line. Here. Here's a picture of the Star Line, and those are in the old days see old steamships that went to, believe it or not, America. Look at, and they docked here on the walls, and people got up, and from here they took off to America, Africa, everywhere. So no escalator here, so I have to walk down, guys. The building is not particularly my style, my liking, but it's real. Take a look. Yeah. Let me zoom a little bit here. This is, or was, an old, or fairly old, classic building. And it was used, it had an official use, I'm not sure what. But apparently they ran out of space and they needed additional space. So what did they do? They've built some monstrosity on top, you know, for additional rooms. And I don't know about that. You know, if they ran out of room, I thought it would have been easier to build a building right next to it instead of that. But that's just my opinion. Tell me what you guys think about it, guys. There you have it. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I'm working my way back. So, thank you to all the viewers. Thank you to all our subscribers. And thanks for watching, guys. And I see you next time, next video. Bye-bye.